as the sun is rising in beautiful Las Vegas. So is my Lordstown, and so is my XL fleet. Don't mind my dirty laptop, I haven't cleaned it forever. What we got? $468 print. Not bad. It's taking a breather. Nice view. I wanted to shoot the one final one final scene on XL because I was anticipating a reversal, which happened today on April 6th. And remember how bad I was down? I was down $3,000. Turned it around to $1,048. So $1,048 from negative 3,117. That's huge. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? This is episode 24. I wonder if Jim Cramer dropped my mask. I wonder if Jim Cramer can sue me for using his catchphrase. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Guys, if you see that, that's M Resort in the background. Lost $100. That's my maximum. I lose $100, I'm out. Because the odds are horrible at slot machines, at card games, when you're an actual options trader. So, this episode, guys, you already know, it's gonna be done on XL Fleet. And this looks like a very nice bench for me to shoot this video on XL Fleet. Let me tell you what happened on XL. This thing destroyed me. On April 1st, which was the April Fool's Day, had almost a $3,000 loss. XL Fleet, if you guys don't know, now it's a $1 billion company. Used to be way larger. It lost 70% of its value. Now it's at $8 a share. It's a $1 billion company. And I'm sure if you've heard of the recent SPAC attacks by short sellers. So short sellers are aggressively shorting these stocks that really have a very low to no revenue whatsoever. And a lot of them are in the EV space, electrical vehicle. So XL Fleet, basically their agenda is to have a lot of these commercial pickup trucks, turn them into plug-in hybrids, plug-ins, and a lot of companies like Verizon, Charter Communications, they use these trucks constantly, and they have a lot of operational costs, and which goes into fuel. And so XL Fleet's agenda is to basically turn all these pickup trucks electric. Now, this company also got attacked by major class action lawsuits, and their earnings, they only made $10 million. The earnings were completely false at first, and then they corrected the earnings, but the stock didn't see a recovery at all. Okay, I was betting on a reversal. I got a small dead cat bounce, and at this point I was heavy in May option contracts, particularly strike 9, strike 10, and strike 11 and 15s. I was really betting on a reversal, and the reversal didn't come. So for the intraday basis, I lost close to $3,000. So in this situation, if your stock just hit a 52-week low, and if you're a experienced trader, you know that 52-week highs can continue to go higher, and 52-week lows can continue to go lower, especially if there is not a strong reversal at bay. So I didn't see the reversal coming, so I had no choice but to get rid of all of my option calls just to survive to see another day. And that's how you got to do it, because let's say at XL Fleet at $7.90, it could still go lower to 6 and 5. I really think if everything is in order, financially it's not in a really deteriorating shape. The stock has a lot of major plans in 2021 to increase their revenue base and improve their earnings. So if that's the scenario, you could still see the stock go maybe $6 to $5 before it reverses. But what will happen to your options if the stock does go to 6 and 5? And that's where I was running through my head. And that's the main reason I didn't hold the stock overnight, because a 5% move in a stock can destroy 80-90% of your out of the money options. So because of that reason, I got rid of all of the options and I kept the shares. Did I double down on the shares? No. I'm only here holding 1,500 shares. The goal was to add another 1,500 shares and then start selling off the options. But I dumped the options and I didn't double down. And if I lose a lot next week, let's say if the stock goes to 7 or 6, I'm gonna slowly average down with shares and then hit heavy on the option side once I see a strong reversal and a strong support above $8 a share. It's showing a huge resistance at $7.90, $7.80, and the short sellers are all over it. And if there is a high short ratio, that means the stock is going to explode higher if it reverses. If it doesn't reverse, then I just lost $3,000, and that's part of the game. So wanted to shoot that video to tell you what happens, because April Fool's was definitely not a good day for me. And then completely forgot that it was a Good Friday. I got up a Friday morning to continue trading, all excited. Sorry, market's closed. So this weekend I'm in Vegas, so I'll be trading on Monday and the rest of the week from Vegas. Another clip of XL, the reversal up 8.4%, 8.6%. Now I'm holding the options. Okay, now it broke 8. As I said before, I'm going to buy the options, which is right now I bought 10 contracts of $9 strike right there. Been scalping back and forth, probably at least a dozen times already. But I think it's a nice, strong. Look at that volume. Look at how strong the volume is. So see that? So it broke Monday's resistance, and that's exactly what you need with strong volume. So everything looks good. Might load up more on 9 and 10 strikes.
Okay, so super excited. I don't know what's going to happen to XL stock. I left and my reception was really bad. I saw it clear 8:30, so it should be above 8:30 for sure. Hopefully above 8:50. And I have a lot of option contracts. Here. So, pretty excited to see what's going to happen. But first, I must find my hotel room. Click on that. It's about 12 o'clock, so definitely volatility has come back. Curious as to what's my P&L. Should be at least 700. At some point I was down 600, but
Drum roll, please. All right. What we got? XL 841, beautiful. Ride pulled back hard, 1232. They all pulled back. EV, all the EV stocks pulled back hard. But I sold the option contracts while I was outside in front of Starbucks. So I only have 250 shares. That's all I got, literally. How much? $917, guys. $918, which was great from going negative 600 this morning. And I'm about to buy more shares in XL, but not too much because I don't like to keep too much shares overnight. So 250. So we'll have it. We'll do 500 for now. If I see a nice little rally right now, I'll get in more. Lordstown, I'll do another 200 on Lordstown. Yeah. For now, this is good. If this rallies above 850 at the close, I might go in heavier and then sell what I just bought and then some. When you are holding stocks that are going against you, as long as the company is going to recover, you know it's going to recover. If it's not too risky and the financials have not deteriorated, then you can use my martingale strategy to turn things around. And you have to know how to average down. You don't do it blindly. So while most people say averaging down doesn't work, I do it with much caution and a lot of precision, understanding the position sizing and understanding reversal, momentum, and the strength of that reversal and the volume. So if you keep all those things in your mind and practice it over and over, you can start turning unrealized losses into realized profits, which I did today. Look at that beautiful reversal. That's it. This is where the juice is. Now, could this be a dead cat bounce? Maybe, we'll see. So as it rises higher, statistically, it has less chance to go higher. Who knows how much less? But the most probable run-up, statistically speaking, is this. After this, it has less chance to go from here to here, even though a strong chance, like I'd say 70%, 80%. And then from 9 to 950, I'd say even less chance, maybe like 60%, and then so on, 50%, 40%. It all depends. I'm saying if there's no catalyst, okay? If there's no news, there's nothing going on, and the stock is just being bought because people think it's cheap, that's all I'm saying right now. But if, let's say, tomorrow news came out that XL Fleet signed some new contract with Ford or whoever, and they got a huge cash injection, then forget all I just said. You might be 100% chance that they'll go from 8 to 10. Okay, so I'm just saying, statistically speaking, if all things remain constant and there's no catalyst going forward. Anyway, good day, $1,000. I'll take it. All right, guys, nice and sweet and short. Not sure what episode I'm going to do next, but the 25th episode, it's on my website. It's also on my YouTube channel. So if you're following me, the 25th episode is already out. And as I've said before, every 5th episode, I talk about strategies. I talk about very important topics for professional traders and people who are aspiring traders. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a great day.